Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a graphics card. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap to protect components. Confirm your power supply unit has enough wattage for your new card, typically listed on the card's specifications. Always power down and unplug your computer from the wall outlet before opening the case to ensure safety. Now, open your PC case and find the PCIe X16 slot on your motherboard. It's usually the longest one. You might need to remove one or two expansion slot covers from the back of the case. Gently align your new graphics card with the slot, then press down firmly and evenly until it's fully seated and the retention clip engages. Secure the card with a screw. Next, connect the necessary PCIe power cables from your power supply to the graphics card. Modern cards often require 1 or 2 6-pin or 8-pin connectors. Make sure these are fully seated and clicked into place. Finally, connect your monitor cable, whether it's HDMI or DisplayPort, directly to the new graphics card's output ports, not the motherboard. Once everything is connected, close your PC case and reconnect all your peripherals and the power cable. Boot up your computer. After Windows or your operating system loads, you'll need to install the latest drivers for your new graphics card from the manufacturer's website. This ensures optimal performance and compatibility. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.